Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati. Maligayang bati. Maligayang, maligayang, maligayang bati. Happy birthday, Doc Sam. Happy birthday, Doc Sam. Happy birthday, Doc Sam. Maligayang arawan, Doc Sam. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. From the Arts and Sciences Department, we wish you a happy, happy birthday. Happy 54th birthday, Doc Sam, aka Coco Marby. Sir, may you always continue being an inspiration to all persons in. Always stay young and handsome. God bless and more power. Happy birthday, friends! We love you!
Happy 54th birthday, Sir President. We wish you all the best. Good luck and more power. From BTT Department.
Happy 54th birthdays, dear President, from the Laboratory High School Department. Like a rhinestone cowboy, bang, bang. Happy na birthday, ma'am. From the ESIT Department, we wish you a happy birthday. We love you.
Hello everyone! We're here at the ABS-CBN building.
Nandito kami ngayon para matanggap ang ambus interview sa mga celebrities na inyong kilala.
Celebrities na malapit sa puso ng ating birthday celebrant tulad din ng Secret! Asa, sino kaya nandito?
Tingnan natin!
Wow! God bless you many, many more years. Hope to meet you soon. Have the best, have the greatest celebration with all the people you love.
This is Leia Salonga wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Have a great one!
I wish you good health. Sana marami pa pong birthdays na dumating. At sana sa susunod na birthday niyo po, nandun na po ako para batiin kayo in person. So, happy birthday! Stay happy and stay healthy and God bless you.
I'm Richard Gomez. I'm wishing you a happy, happy birthday. Always take care of yourself and always be happy. Happy birthday.
Sarah po ito. Wishing you a happy, happy birthday. Alam ko po masaya po kayo. Celebrate ng birthday nyo ngayon with your loved ones. Sana po magpatuloy po ang good health ninyo at ng inyong mga mahal sa buhay. Happy birthday po. God bless you.
This is Shasha Padilla wishing you a very happy birthday.
All the way here from Zurich. I wish you the best of health, more birthdays to come, and God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Alam mo ba, pag nilagay mo to sa YouTube o ano, baka masingil pa ako. May bayad yung happy birthday na yun. Pero dahil napaka-special mo sa isang kaibigan ko, binabati kita. Isang maligayang kaarawan at bihira akong kumanta ako. Sana mas marami pang blessings ang dumating sa iyo.
Happy birthday. Sana maging sa iyong kaarawan. Sayang at wala ka dyan. Pero I hope magkita tayo someday. God bless you, my power. I love you.
Tapos na tayo sa mga celebrities. Ngayon ay dumako naman tayo sa Office of the Vice President.
Ano kayong sasabihin ng Vice President sa ating President, yung Papa Zur? Let's go!
Birthday po pala. Happy birthday po.
Pa, happy birthday. Ingat kayo palagi nila mama dyan. Love namin kayo dito nila Sky.
Hello pa! Happy birthday po! Well, parang celebrity lang, may video message pa. Our birthday wish for you is, of course, good health always. Please do find time to look after your health. Yung work mo, hindi mawawala yan. Yung gagawin mo will always be there. Pero, please, do what you need to do. Pa-check up na. And also, we wish you more wisdom, to fulfill your passion and to inspire more people. I know it's not just work for you, it's not just your job. It is really your passion and your dedication. I know you have lots of opportunities to work somewhere else, outside the country and all, but then you chose to stay in Minas, in Linskat, and yeah. Well, hopefully you'll find time to visit us soon too. Okay, hi to Mama and Papa. Hope to see you here very soon. Happy birthday again. Love you. Mwah. Kiss, Papa. Mwah. Bye. Bye. We love you here. You wanna sing happy birthday to Papa?
Yep.
Okay, sing happy birthday to Papa then.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Finish your happy birthday to Papa.
Happy birthday, Papa. I miss you, Mama and Papa.